Hello guys, here we have a Samsung Galaxy M33 and today I will show you how you can perform a Google and Bixby reverse Google search image. So we will start from the Google way. We have to open the web browser because there is no Google lens here. I click and go to the google.com. Now it's very important, click here on this three-dot icon and enable a desktop site. How you can see the small camera icon appeared, so click it. And now choose upload the file. Allow permission and choose the image that you want to search in the Google. How you can see now we are looking for this image or similar images in the Google. Okay, that's it for Google. Now it's a Bixby method. So we have to open the gallery, choose the photo again, and click here on this small eye icon. Now choose discover, and how you can see, now we are looking for the similar image in the Bixby. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.